OPKIX develops technologies to make recording and sharing video simple. Our OPKIXOne comes with a smart egg and 2 cameras that are crafted with aerospace aluminum housing, sapphire glass, and components made of real gold. It is a first-of-its-kind, social-inspired video camera that gives you the freedom to record and capture videos at a moment's notice. With millions of investment dollars, tens of thousands of R&D hours, comprised of over 1,300 components, over 200 engineers across 4 continents, our shared vision is a testament to innovation in hardware and software in one tiny, lightweight camera, the OPKIXOne. Our OPKIXOne cameras will revolutionize how you record and share videos. Video just got social. OPKIX, bringing the world together, one video at a time.
The one thing at the top of our menu since day one: transforming customers into fans. We constantly have our finger on the pulse, helping us create not only the world's best kitchen appliance, but unforgettable experiences really worth sharing. How? By bringing people with the same passion together, not only digitally, but where real life happens, in their homes. Regardless of where they come from, what drives them, how great their ambitions are, or what holds them back, we inspire them to try new things, because everyone deserves a life that makes them happier. Everyone should be able to turn a how into a wow and create truly delightful moments with the best Thermomix we've ever made. Of course it can weigh, chop, grind, grate, steam, whisk, mix and boil. But for the first time ever, new cooking modes add more haute to your cuisine, giving you more wows and yummy mummies. More tenderness made effortless. More homemade yogurt and cheese. More pulled pork at the next garden party. More taste highlights by adding roasting aromas. And caramel creations prepared in a jiffy. The new Thermomix is cleaner, more powerful, and psst, it's quieter. With a way larger display, a highly intuitive user interface, and recipe recommendations, making the best homemade meals easy peasy. Built-in Wi-Fi and Cookie-Doo provide daily inspiration, with over 40,000 guided cooking recipes created and shared all over the world, regardless of which device you use. And the best part? It gets better and better all by itself. Smart at heart. Just like you. TM6, the all-new Thermomix by Vorwerk.
Introducing TUPLUS X2 and S2 luxury suitcases, made from aircraft aluminum for both strength and beauty. Say goodbye to the traditional zippers with our patented one-touch open mechanism, gives you quick access to whatever you need. The X2 carry-on has an adjustable pull rod that gives you 3 height limits to choose from, giving you added comfort and easy handling. Solid engineered wheels that are perfect for all floors and emits little sound hardly noticeable during motion. Inbuilt TSA lock system with just one click. It's open so you can get access to those gadgets you'll need on the way. A zippered and attachable cover that makes packing more fun and organized. The X2 can contain up to 5 days luggage capacity, perfect for those long business trips. The S2 aluminum carry-on, another luxury suitcase from TUPLUS, offering you all the features in the X2, but only more portable at its 16 inches size, perfect for gentlemen and ladies of grace and elegance. Our unique patented one-touch open system eases the stress of using zippers, offering you a flexible open system that can tilt to any degree to let you grab whatever you need in a jiffy. Also present, the adjustable pull rods with 3 different height limits to suit you just fine. Soundproof wheels equal swift and smooth movement anywhere. The TUPLUS X2 and S2 carry-on comes in a variety of 3 colors: rose gold, silver, and black, whichever suits your taste. Travel with TUPLUS. Travel in style and elegance.